Every 39 seconds, a cyber attack occurs. Small businesses are prime targets, often lacking robust defenses. Ignoring cybersecurity can lead to devastating consequences, from financial loss to reputational damage. Are you prepared to face these threats? The Secure Controls Framework is a comprehensive approach to cybersecurity. It integrates best practices to protect your business from evolving threats. By adopting SCF, you ensure a robust defense against cyber attacks. SCF offers a structured methodology aligning with industry standards. It simplifies compliance, reduces risk, and enhances security posture. For businesses, SCF is not just a framework, it's a strategic advantage. Cyber threats are becoming more frequent and sophisticated. SCF helps mitigate these risks effectively. Real-world examples show businesses saved from breaches by implementing SCF. Don't wait for a crisis to act. Consider the case of a small retailer who avoided a costly data breach thanks to SCF. Their proactive approach not only saved money, but also preserved customer trust. Can your business afford not to follow suit? Understanding SCF's core components is crucial. Start by assessing your current security measures. Integrate SCF into existing systems for seamless protection. Remember, the journey to cybersecurity is ongoing. Common challenges include resistance to change and resource allocation. Overcome these by fostering a security-first culture. Engage stakeholders early and emphasize the long-term benefits of SCF. Arrakis Consulting stands out with unparalleled expertise in SCF implementation. Our team has over 25 years of experience ensuring your business is protected. Choose us for a tailored cybersecurity strategy. Hear from satisfied clients who trust Arrakis for their cybersecurity needs. Our proven track record speaks volumes. With Arrakis, you're not just choosing a service, you're choosing peace of mind. Managed services with Arrakis Consulting offer continuous monitoring and support. Reduce risk and increase visibility with expert management. It's a smart investment for any business serious about cybersecurity. Imagine having a dedicated team ensuring your systems are always secure. That's the peace of mind Arrakis provides. Let us handle the complexities of cybersecurity while you focus on growing your business. Let's recap. SCF is essential for protecting your business from cyber threats. Arrakis Consulting offers the expertise and managed services you need. Together, we can safeguard your future. By partnering with Arrakis, you'll protect your business and ensure its longevity. Don't wait for a breach to take action. Secure your future today. Contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com or visit us at arrakisconsulting.com to get started. Let's build a secure future together. Your business deserves the best protection. Remember, cybersecurity is not a one-time effort. It's an ongoing commitment. With Arrakis by your side, you're never alone in this journey. Let's secure your business one step at a time. Take the first step towards a secure future. Reach out to Arrakis Consulting today. Together, we'll build a resilient defense against cyber threats. Your business's safety is our priority.